Is that good? Did a noodle come through? Oh my gosh. Is that yummy? Yeah. Look at that curly hair, Bo. Uh-oh, do you need a towel?
Uh-oh.
You need a napkin?
Uh-oh.
Yeah. You like noodles? Yeah. Yum. Ooh, yummy. Good stuff. Yeah. Wow, Penny, you should see how many noodles Bo's eating. Are they yummy?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Yep, more. Yum. You got more noodles. Are you excited? Oh, are you all done? You want to eat them or should I give them to your brother? Are those Penn's noodles? Should we give them to your brother?
No.
You want to eat them? Are you going to take a bite or not?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, we'll get a napkin when you're done.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Yum. Good stuff, huh?
Oh.
Yum. Oh, yeah. Good noodles. Great. Yum. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Oh, that's a lot of noodles.
Uh-oh.
done? Are you still eating?
Uh-oh.
Say excuse me. Bo, are you a monster? Yeah. Are you all done? What are you doing, buddy? This? What are you doing? Yeah. What's going on? Okay. All done? Hey, Bo. Was that a yummy dinner? Are you happy? Oh my gosh. Bo. All done? Oh, a little bit more? You have a cup ring around your face. Yep, there's some more right there. Are you all done though? We don't want to play with our food. No, no. Either eat it or put it away.
Uh-oh.
All done? All right, all done. You want to go take a bath? Let's go take a bath. Yeah, bath time. All right, bath time, Bo. Bowie, was your dinner good? Bowie, do you love soup? You love noodles? Bo, Robert, no.